Take milk 1 liter. Add some milk and 2 tablespoons corn flour. Put remaining milk on high flame. Take a mango and make cubes of it. Add sugar 3 tablespoons and boiled milk. Add milk powder 1 tablespoon. On medium flame, add corn flour. And cook on medium to low flame for 3 minutes. Add mango cubes in it. And mix it. Turn off the flame. Add the dessert in a pan. Wait for it to cool on room temperature. Then put it in fridge for 3 hours. Now enjoy your dessert. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.